Hello little kids, today we are painting blender. Purple color, red color, dark pink color, orange color, sky blue color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color,